Southern comfort goodness wrapped up in a bowl. Let me show you a technique today called steam frying. Something that's very easy, very quick. We do it in the South all the time and it's delicious. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. First we're going to start peeling our potatoes. One potato, and you can use russet, Burbank, red potatoes. It's totally up to you. Potatoes peeled, cut into slices. Cut it in, pull your knife through. There you go. Potato done. We're going to get everything cut up and then we'll start cooking. Your cabbage. On your cabbage, leave your stem on. It will last a whole lot longer. We'll do a little more cabbage because this will cook down. Cabbage goes up. Pull your knife through and slice. We're going to cut everything up and then we'll put everything together. This will come together very, very fast. Next we're going to do our onion. Cut that up any way you'd like to. There's our onion. We're going to cut the sausage into 2 slices. This is for 2 people, so we're going to leave them fairly in chunks. So it looks like you have a little meat in there. There's your sausage. Next, yellow bell pepper. Once again, you can use any kind of bell pepper you want to. Doesn't have to be yellow. Yellow's what I had on hand. We picked these up at Aldi's. I actually picked up 3 of these for $2.69. You gotta watch your prices, guys. Yellow bell pepper. Garlic. Smash this. We're gonna do a different way of frying over here so we can actually throw everything into the pan together. It can come together very fast, very quick. Garlic. Turn the fire on, let the pan get hot. Then we're going to add our oil. Oil is in. Potatoes, they cook the longest to cook. Sausage. Green peppers. Yellow peppers. And your mixed vegetables. Mixed vegetables can be anything. Now we're going to add our water. Then we can add our garlic and our onions. Stir. We're going to add a little bit of chicken bouillon. Better than bouillon paste. You can add ham base, you can add beef base, vegetable stock, totally up to you. A little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Get this from Sam's, really good stuff. Now you want to stir this up. Add the cabbage. And stir it one more time. Then you want to put a lid on here. As the water boils down, it will evaporate, will come down to the oil. Then the oil will stir fry all the ingredients in there. We're going to let this cook for about half an hour and we'll come back and check it. The water was at the top, as you can tell now, it's evaporating out. Once it evaporates out, we'll get down to the oil, and then the oil will fry the ingredients. All right, the water's cooking out. We're getting down to the oil. This is the part you gotta be very careful, and you want to stir this because it will burn on you. See how much water evaporated? You can see through the steam. Everything here is cooked. Potatoes are cooked good. Cabbage is cooked. Sausage is cooked. All we gotta do now is just wait till the water evaporates out. Now you can see we're getting down where the water's evaporated out, and we're just down to the oil we put in earlier. We'll be very careful here. You want to keep stirring this. You don't want it to stick. You don't want it to burn. You just want to impart the good flavor. And that's it. Turn our fire down. Turn our fire off. And there you have nothing left but Southern comfort goodness. This is going to be great. Let me come back and try this, and I'll tell you how it is. Well, that was a wrap. Look at this stuff. This is very good, very healthy, and delicious. We're going to try a little bit and let you know how it is. Carrots, sausage, potatoes, wonderful stuff. Here we go. The stir fry technique gives a great taste to this. Everything gets done through the boiling process, then everything gets fried when the water cooks down. Try this. You're going to love this. As you see, it was very easy. Welcome to the South. And we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye.